Bekunzima kwiintsapho bezilindile ngelixa amalungu azo evalelekile.
It's overwhelming. Yes, we're relieved, but then we haven't seen her. We're still waiting to see her. The minute we see her, I think that's when this whole thing is going to sink in.
Abanye babalekele kumazwe afana neHungary, Poland neRomania zehlile izibilini njengokuba besekhaya ngoku.
It is a form of relief. I mean, to be out of a war zone, you can only imagine what it's like. But I'm just happy to be home, and I would really love it if I could spend time with my family now.
Amashishini abucala afake isandla ukunceda abafundi babuyele ekhaya.
It was unacceptable to us that young students who have got their future ahead of them were stranded in foreign countries, and yes, the foreign countries might have been abrasive, but there can be nothing worse not knowing the uncertainty that you're going to face. Are you going to be back, aren't you? Are you going to resume your studies, aren't you? So the very least we could do was work together with our government to bring these people back to their loved ones on home soil.
Isebe lezangaphandle liphinde laxeka indlela abaphethwe ngayo abafundi base-Afrika.
It's very unfortunate that even in the context of a raging armed conflict, we still saw Africans in particular being subjected to discriminatory and racist treatment. I mean, we had cases where some students were prevented from buying train tickets, from getting onto the trains, and even when they got to the border areas, Africans were put in a separate line, pushed back and not necessarily given attention. We protested through the foreign minister in Ukraine. Bazar Grunewald raised a serious objection, and we reminded them that everyone has a right to cross international borders when there's a raging conflict.
Kulindeleke ukuba abanye abafundi bagaleleke kweli kungekudala. NdinguChrisanda Lewis weendaba ze SABC eOR Tambo International eGauteng.